Dear students, today we will try to solve these two questions, and we will only form a pair of linear equation for this statement. For these conditions, you have to simplify it at home with the help of cross multiplication method. By using cross multiplication method. In this question, S scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. This is the rule of the test. That is, if he 3 marks for correct answer, right answer, and 1 mark will be deducted or lost by for each wrong answer. Had four marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each wrong answer. And the same rule is applied for this rule, that is 4 marks for awarded for correct answer, 2 is deducted for wrong answer, then S scored 50 marks. In the simple way you can say that जितने क्वेश्चन सही होंगे उसमें 3 मार्क्स मिलेंगे और जितने रॉन्ग होंगे उसमें 1 मार्क्स माइनस हो जाएंगे, माइनस मार्किंग होगा। दूसरा रूल क्या कहता है, जितने क्वेश्चन सही होंगे उसमें 4 मार्क्स मिलेंगे और जो गलत होंगे उसमें 2 मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे, माइनस मार्किंग हो जाएगी। ठीक, तो नाउ वी ट्राई टू फॉर्म द लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर दिस। सो सॉल्व फर्स्ट, लेट करेक्ट answer is x, or we can say number of correct answer is x and wrong answer is y, right? First of all, we consider that s scored correct answer x and wrong answer y. Then we can say that total number of question are x plus y. No need to consider this, but we have to use it in answer. X is right answer, y is wrong answer. In this way, total question in the test was x plus 1. Total number of questions are x plus 1, right? Now, come on the first condition. What is condition first? 3 marks for each right. As you know that, let us see here one example. If there are 10 questions, out of 10, S scored 7 correct and 3 wrong. That is right and it is wrong. If there are 10 questions in a test and right question is 7 and attempted wrong is 3, right? So how you will awarded it? For 7 right question you will award 3 for each. So in this way you can get here 7 into 3. 7 क्वेश्चन सही है, 7 क्वेश्चन सही है और each क्वेश्चन से आपको 3 मार्क्स अवार्ड करना है। So we'll give them 7 into 3 and 3 question wrong है, that will lose 1 mark. So you can write here 3 into 1, right? 3 wrong question and 1 is loss. So loss is always deducted from here. Loss is always subtracted from the total marks. जैसा कि माइनस मार्किंग होता है, हम लोगों ने सुना होगा कि जितने क्वेश्चन सही होंगे और गलत क्वेश्चन उसी हिसाब से काट दिया जाएगा। आज के अभी क्या चल रहा है हमारे पास, अभी हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं 3r माइनस w के फॉर्म में। दिस इज आल्सो नोन बाय 3r माइनस w। इसे याद कर लीजिए, अक्सर टेस्ट में यही रूल अप्लाई होता है 3r माइनस w। तो सेम थिंग इज हियर आल्सो। आपके पास कितने क्वेश्चन हैं? x राइट है, y रॉन्ग है। So for every right answer you will award 3 marks. So in this way you will get 3x. This will be 3x. For every wrong answer you will lose 1 marks or deducted 1 marks. So this will be 1 into y. This will be deducted, subtracted. So this can be write like this: 1 into y equal to, in this way S scored 40 marks. Then total marks जितना अवार्ड हो रहा है प्लस जितना डिडक्ट हो रहा है, टोटल मार्क्स कितना बन रहा है इसका 40. In this way we can find that 3x minus y equal to 40. This is equation number 1. This forms equation number 1. Right? Now try second condition. We will try here. Condition second. What is second condition? 4 marks being awarded for each correct answer. What is 4 marks is correct answer. So in this way we can get here, if you award 4 marks for this x, then this will be 4x, and deduct 2 marks for wrong answer, so this will be 2y. This is 4 into x, this is 4 into y. This will be subtracted, this will be awarded. So in this way you can find that this is 4x is given and 2y is subtracted, and this way it will be equal to 50. The total marks in this way is 50. 4x इसको मिला, 2x उसमें से माइनस हुआ, इस तरह से टोटल कितने मार्क्स हो गए उसके 40 मार्क्स. राइट? इन दिस इक्वेशन वी फाइंड दैट वी कैन सिंप्लाई इट, जैसा हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं, किसी सिंपल नंबर से, किसी लार्ज नंबर से, स्मॉलर नंबर से डिवाइड ईच एंड एवरी टर्म. आप डिवाइड करके इसको छोटा बना सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करके भी छोटा बना सकते हैं. नाउ यू कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 2. thus we will get 2x minus y equal to 25. This is equation number second. Students, try these two equations at home, right? With the help of using cross multiplication method, right? This is equation number 5, this is equation number 5. You will get value of x and y. X is for the correct answer, y is for the wrong answer. When you add x and y, you will get the total questions in the test. Okay? Now try this. In question number 2, we see here, place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. There is a highway. There is highway A and B. And difference between two places is 100 kilometer. Right? In a highway, A and B are two different places, and difference between the places is 100. One car start from A and another start from B. एक कार A से चलती है, एक कार B से. At the same time में. If car travels in the same direction, if both are travels in the same direction, the different speed, but different speeds are different. They meet in 5 hours. दोनों कार कब मिल जाती हैं? 5 घंटे बाद मिल जाती हैं. सपोज करते हैं हम कि ये डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में, सपोज करते इधर चली है. कार A is moving here and the same time B is moving here, and they two cars meet at a point. दोनों काम करती हैं, मिल जाती हैं. कितने देर में मिलती हैं? 5 घंटे, 5 आवर्स में. 5 आवर्स में A यहाँ से चल के यहाँ पहुंची और B यहाँ से चल के यहाँ पहुंची. अगर इसको आप सिंपल डायरेक्शन ऐसे करें तो आपका इक्वेशन सीधा आएगा लाइक दिस. A यहाँ से चल के यहाँ पहुंची एंड द सेम टाइम B यहाँ से चल के यहाँ पहुंची. कितने देर में पहुंची? 5 आवर में. 5 आवर में दोनों वहाँ पे मिल गए. राइट? Now try to convert it into pair of linear equation. What is needed here? What are the speed of the car? We have to find out the speed of the car. We don't know speed of the car, so we'll consider it. We will suppose let speed of car start from A. Right? We have to given a reference. कौन सी कार का आप स्पीड सपोज कर रहे हैं. राइट? स्टार्ट फ्रॉम A is x किलोमीटर पर आवर. Now speed of car start from B is equal to y kilometer per hour. Speed of car start from A is x kilometer per hour and speed of car start from B is 5 kilometer per hour. One thing more, yep, this question also asked in some books and papers. With the station Mysore and Bangalore, this place will be place Mysore and Bangalore also. You will write same thing. A is Mysore, B is Bangalore. You can do the same work. You have to do the same work. Now, first thing, that is condition first. What is condition first? In same direction we can say. In same direction. What will be in the same direction? See here. If speed of car is x and the same direction speed car in how many times? 5 hours. So as we know that distance is equal to speed into time. Speed of car is x, time is 5. We can write here 5x. Right? It means car start from A, moves 5x, moves at a distance 5x. As we know distance equal to speed into time. In the same direction, time is 5 and speed is x, so it gets 5x. So this distance is said to be 5x. ऐसे चलने वाली कार कितनी चली, कितने किलोमीटर चली? 5x. So what about B? What about B? Distance is equal to same speed and time. This is for A. This is for B. Speed is y. Time is 5. This can be written as 5y. In the same direction, the distance covered by car from B, start from B is 5y. This can be written as 5y. Right? So observe here. क्या किया था? सेम डायरेक्शन में चले थे तो कार कितनी चली थी? 5 घंटे चली थी, 5 आवर चली थी. 5 आवर में A से चलने वाली कार कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? 5x कवर किया. B से चलने वाली कितना कवर किया? 5y कवर किया. Now just see this question. What is the difference between two the distance? A is start from this point and final point is this. B is initial point is this and final point is this. So what is the difference between these two? Have you any relation? Have you any relation in these two distance? So we find that there are 100 kilometer gap between A and B, and this is the difference. A और B के बीच में कितने का गैप आ रहा है? 100 किलोमीटर का. This is the difference. So we can write here 5x minus 5y equal to 100. As we see it in the figure. Always write the figure and your notebook, and this will help you. What we find that 5x minus 5y is 100 because difference between these two distances is 100. Right? In other words, in the simple word, we have to remember it. अगर सेम डायरेक्शन है तो आपको माइनस करना है. सेम डायरेक्शन क्या करना है? माइनस करना है. कुछ हमने कोई फिगर नहीं बनाया, कुछ नहीं समझा, कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया, डायरेक्टली क्या किया? सेम डायरेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं. 5 घंटे में 5x और 5 घंटे में 5y, दोनों को माइनस कर दिया, दैट इज 100. राइट? सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है. सेम डायरेक्शन में क्या करना है? आपको माइनस करना है. नाउ यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई, can reduce it by x minus y equal to 5 to the 100. This is equation number first. Now condition second. What is the condition second? Condition second is that, see, we will take here another example. Condition second is that if travels in different direction in 1 hour. As one people ask also that 4 cows can take food in a pot, but different direction faces. How it is possible? 4 काउ है, एक ही पॉट है, इसमें सबको खाना है. इनके फेसेस क्या रहेंगे? नॉर्थ, साउथ, west, east. Now how it is possible? Right? So as you done, that is this face face of the all four cows in the center of the pot, but direction is different. This is south, this is north, this is west, this is east. So similarly, if two cars travel in the different direction, so one will be in this direction and another will be in the direction, right? They will meet in a point between A and B. So if car A start from A, this and this will reach at this point anywhere, and if other car start from B, this will reach at this point anywhere. These are the direction is different. One is going to this one, another is this direction. So now what is time taken here? 1 hour. In this same thing, car start from A, distance covered by car start from A, this is from A, same thing, speed into distance equal to speed into time. What is the speed? X here, time is 1, that is x. In the different direction, time is 1 hour, so speed into time is thus. For car B, for B, from B, B is speed is y, t is 1, that is y, right? So we find that the car distance traveled by car start from A is x, distance traveled by car start from B is y, right? So find out the relation between this. We find that the sum of the total distance covered by both car is 100. We can say x plus y equal to 100. Total distance is 100 over here. Sum of A is x, B is y, so total is x plus y is 100. So we can find in different direction, x plus y is 100, right? This is the equation number 2. Thus we find that when different direction, the distance traveled is added. In the same direction, the distance traveled is subtracted, right? Now remember it in the short में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Same direction को subtract करना है, different direction को add करना है. Now you try these two equation at home. Now one more question we have to take here. कितना टाइम हुआ? 70. एक क्वेश्चन और ले लें, चलो खत्म हो जाएगा. ये लिखा है जल्दी नहीं आता. See here, the area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. Reduced by 5 unit, breadth is increased by 3 unit. If we increase the length by 3 unit and breadth by 2 unit, area increased by 67 square unit. Don't confuse here. 67 square unit. Find dimension of the rectangle. Okay, now let us write solve. In this question, we will find length and breadth. Dimension means length, breadth, height, radius are called dimension. So, as you studied in the class 8 also in detail. So, let length is x unit and breadth is y unit. One more thing you have to mind, what is unit? Unit, if you don't know anything, meter, centimeter, this type of thing, so we will use unit. हमको meter, centimeter clear नहीं है, तो we can use here unit. Unit is common for the every type of unit. So length is this and breadth is this, and in this we have seen that the work is done on the square. किसमें area, किसमें काम हुआ है area में. So we have to find out here area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is, in the lower class we have studied, we have know about the area of rectangle, length into breadth. So in this way, x into y, length into breadth, gets x, y. As you know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. So now come on the condition first. If length is reduced by 5 unit, what is the condition first? Length is reduced by 5. What is the length? We will do any work in this. कोई भी काम करना होगा बस इसी को सामने रख के करिए. लेंथ बेस से हमको कोई मतलब नहीं. लेंथ कितना है आपका x, इसको क्या करना है आपको रिड्यूस करना है बाई 5. रिड्यूस कर दीजिए, रिड्यूस में सेपरेट करना है. नाउ ब्रेथ इज इंक्रीज बाई 3, तो ब्रेथ क्या करना है 3 को इंक्रीज करना है, तो y प्लस 3. दिस विल गिव यू, दिस इज द एरिया एंड एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल गैस रिड्यूस बाय 9. इससे क्या होता है हमारा एरिया घट जाता है. कितना माइनस से रिड्यूस हो जाता है 9. पहले कितना एरिया था, पहले एरिया था हमारा xy, रिड्यूस हो गया 9. कुछ अलग से नहीं करना, आपको इसी में करना है जो करना है, इसी को चेंज करना है. लेंथ को क्या कर दिया हमने 5 रिड्यूस कर दिया, राइट. ब्रेथ को क्या किया हमने 3 इंक्रीज कर दिया. इन दिस वे हमारा एरिया क्या हो गया, पहले जो था उससे 9 रिड्यूस हो गया, हमने 9 रिड्यूस कर दिया. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सिंप्लीफाइड. x into y gets xy, x into plus 3 gets plus 3x, 5 into y minus 5y, minus 5 into 3 minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. Just multiply these two brackets, x into x, xy, x into 3, 3x minus 5 into y minus 5y, minus 5 into plus 3 gets minus 15. Now we can see here xy cancelled by xy. This can be written as 3x minus 5y equal to minus 9 plus 15. This can be written as 3x minus 5y equal to 6. This is equation number first. This is equation number first. Now what about condition second? We will write here. Condition second. What is the condition second? If we increase length by 3 and breadth by 2, both are increased, right? So both will be added. लेंथ को भी बढ़ाना है और ब्रेथ को भी बढ़ाना है, इसलिए दोनों हम ऐड करेंगे. अभी लेंथ क्या हमारी x है, सो दिस विल बी x प्लस 3. ब्रेथ क्या हमारी y है, तो 2 इंक्रीज करना है, 2 यूनिट मीन्स y प्लस 2. क्या किया हमने, लेंथ को भी इंक्रीज किया एंड ब्रेथ को इंक्रीज. इन दिस वे area becomes 67 unit increase. एरिया क्या होती है 67 यूनिट इंक्रीज। अभी की एरिया क्या हमारी xy प्लस 67, xy प्लस 67 यूनिट इंक्रीज कर जाती है। ओके, नाउ सिंप्लीफाई इट। दिस विल गिव यू xy, x into 2 2x, 3 into y 3y plus 3 to the 6 equal to xy plus 67. As you know that left hand side and right hand side both contains xy with same sign, so this can be cancelled out. Or if you have get confusion here, xy को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे इधर राइट साइड तो माइनस xy हो जाएगा। इन दिस बट इन द हायर क्लासेस वी कैन डू दिस। अगर कोई चीज सेम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड में है विद द सेम साइन, दैट कैन बी कैंसिल्ड आउट। सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2x plus 3y equal to 67 minus 6, 2x plus 3y equal to 61. This is equation number second, right? This is equation number first and this is equation number second. Simplify these two equations with the using a Claude method and get the length and width of the rectangle. Okay, thank you.